Welcome back to another behind the scenes video. This one is a recent mini session that I photographed from my back-to-back fall mini sessions in this beautiful grassy open field. And make sure that you stay till the end of this video because I will be showing you all of the photos and how they turned out. And if you are someone who is just looking for extra help in learning how to pose families in a super fun and engaging way where the photos come across natural and beautiful, then I have my free family posing guide, and that will be linked for you in the description below. And then I've also had a lot of you ask questions about my camera settings, so I'm also going to link my free camera settings guide in the description below. And then if you want to dive even deeper into family photography, I have an entire course called Mastering Authentic Connection, which is all about drawing out each family's individual personalities and just getting those really authentic, unique photos that are truly representative of each family and what their connection is like. So I will link that for you in the description below as well. Let me know if you have any questions as you're watching this video. I would love to create more videos on topics that would be super helpful for you guys. I hope you enjoy.
Okay, you can stand over there by Daddy, but we need Mommy right next to Daddy, and then you can stand over here. Perfect. And then, yes! Oh, love it. Okay, we'll start just like this. That's perfect! Yes! Gorgeous! Beautiful! Awesome! Go ahead, Matt. Okay, and then let me see. Can I actually switch you guys? Can you stand in front of Mommy and you stand in front of Daddy now? Perfect! Yes, I love you holding you. Yes! Awesome!
Good job, Pete.
Yes, you guys are doing great. Perfect. And then Mom and Dad, can I have you guys look at each other here? Perfect. And can you guys go nose to nose? And kids, can you guys look up at Mommy and Daddy? Perfect. And then can you look at each other? Perfect. Can you give each other a big hug? Perfect. Yes, that's amazing. Awesome. Okay, let's do Mom with both the kids.
Okay.
Yay. Do you still take either of them?
Her sometimes.
Okay.
I will, but it's
No,
heavy.
I'm
She's
just
heavy.
curious if they're getting too big or they're still up at 8. Okay, so can I have you come on this side, Mommy? And then Mommy, you kneel down with them, you know? Actually, let's do one standing first, and then we'll just look right here and smile. Awesome! And now we have you guys go full feet. I like how you guys. Oh yeah, that works. Yeah, love it. And then can you put your hand up at the top? Perfect! Yes! Beautiful! You can just look right here. Yes! Oh, awesome! Yes! And can you guys look up at Mommy? And Mommy can look down at them. Yes! And can you guys give Mommy big hugs around the leg? Yes! We're gonna put her out. Okay, can I have you just kind of drop down next to them?
Yes. Just me, guys.
Yes, you guys are going to stand up. This is so Mommy can be the same height as you. Oh, I love that. This is perfect. Oh, yes. And then can you put your faces together? Yes. Oh, perfect. Mom, lean forward just a little and kids come up a little left. Yes, that's it. Look right here for one. And our sun changed. I'm actually going to have us kind of swap and face this way now. So, but I'll have you
kneel.
If that's okay. And
Here, scoot up
usually
just
come forward a little bit. How about right here? Awesome. Okay, and you're gonna be right next to Mommy. You guys are gonna stand next to her. Actually, I don't like that. Oh, that yes. Give her just put your arm around her shoulder. Perfect. Oh yes. Oh, that's awesome. Yes. Gorgeous. Let's do one looking right here with your faces pressed on each other, cheeks on each other. Press your cheeks on Mommy's cheeks. Yes! Okay, and now can you guys give Mommy big kisses? Give her kisses. Yes! Oh, perfect. And let's see. Can I have you come sit here on Mommy's knee? Is that so silly? And can you put your head right here? Can you crack? No, sorry. You, Nolan, put your head right here. Yes, there we go. Oh, that's it. And Mom, can you put your hand down here? Perfect. And yes, just like that. Just like that. Yeah. Perfect. Can you open both your eyes? Maybe squish on him a little less. Yeah. Oh, is it sunny? Is that why we're squinting? All right, let's try one more time. Maybe you can look at mommy and you can give him a kiss on the cheek. Try that. Yes. Oh, yes. Perfect. All right. Let's do mommy and Piper. I like you guys just where you are, actually. If that's okay. Yeah. I love the way these
This, I love this dress. I'm gonna try to find it.
I feel like I just got it on Amazon.
Okay.
Yes.
I was gonna reverse Google search
Yes,
for
I
it.
always do that. All right. Just gonna have you smiling and looking right here. Perfect. Oh yes, amazing. And then can I have you guys looking at each other? Yes. Can you wrap your arms around mommy? There. Yes, just like that. Yes. And can you guys go nose to nose? You know how to do noses? Yes. Perfect. Can you put your
I wonder when I'm gonna be here.
And Piper, can you look right at me and mommy? Can you snuggle her? Yes, that's it. Beautiful.
Where's the park?
Perfect, mommy. Can you give her a kiss on the cheek?
Where's the park?
Yeah. That's it. That's it.
So from here, come walk down to the park.
Beautiful. Perfect. All right, let's do dad with the kids.
Yay, Daddy!
Bye bye, honey.
Can I help you take your wallet out of your pocket? Maybe just set it over there, just in case we do anything from behind. I'm always, yeah, that stuff always shows up in the phone.
There's no one set out.
No wallets allowed. They're banned.
Okay, can I bring you guys forward just a
Yay!
little? And, yep, that's perfect, right there. And then forward this way, tiny bit. Perfect. Okay, and let's see, Piper, can I have you come stand over here?
Yay!
Awesome. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful, guys. Perfect. And then can you hold hands with Daddy, just like you were doing with Mommy earlier? Guys. All right, and then Dad, I'm gonna have you squat down next to me.
You guys are rock stars.
Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you so much.
Oh, yeah. Awesome. Okay. That's perfect. Let's see. Can I have you stand next to Daddy instead of sitting? Oh, yeah. That looks good. Amazing. And then press our cheeks on Daddy's cheek. No, that's perfect. Right here. Right here, right here. I know it's probably centered. What if we close our eyes and I'll say 1, 2, 3, and then we'll open. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, open. Big smile, big smile, big smile. Yay. Okay, let's kiss Daddy on the cheek. Can you give him kisses? Give him more kisses, more kisses, more kisses, more kisses. Oh, that's perfect. All right, let's do just Daddy and Nolan.
Yeah.
You'll come back in a second, honey.
Oh,
Don't you worry.
okay. Oh, that's amazing, you guys.
That's
Okay, let's look right here and smile.
the
Awesome.
boys now.
Yeah, don't they look handsome?
Oh, amazing. Hey, look, do you ever still put them on your shoulders? Like for that, do you want to go on Daddy's shoulders?
Yay, Daddy shoulders.
Hang on, bud.
Or we could do piggyback if that's easier.
Come this way.
Oh, Daddy knows how to do it.
And Mommy,
Yeah.
can you take this one off?
There we go.
Yay.
Yes. And can you stand up? Wow, Daddy's so strong. Wow. Can you like twist him like this? Can you hold on to Daddy? Are you gonna fall off? Can you look up at him? Can you look down at Daddy? Wow. Wow. You are so cool. They're so cool. You give me a big smile. Yes. Amazing. All right. Dr. Piper. Your turn. Oh, perfect. Yes.
It was fun on Daddy's shoulder.
Yeah, you look like you were having
you squat down next to her?
Oh,
And
flowers.
Oh, Piper, just
Honey,
wait, honey.
wait.
the other one,
Flowers.
there's so many.
Wait.
She loves flowers.
Wait, no.
Just have you put both your legs on the same side. Yes, exactly. And then, yes, that's it, that's it. And then sit up really straight, Piper. There we go, yes! Oh, perfect. Can you put that on your, yes, oh yeah, that's cute. And then can you lean your cheeks together? Yes!
Oh.
And chin down just a little bit, Piper. Oh, beautiful! And Daddy, can you give her a kiss?
Mommy.
Oh. And can you nuzzle
Right there.
noses?
I'm gonna hold it.
Noses, yeah, perfect. Oh, beautiful, you guys. Okay. How do we feel about sitting on a blanket? Sure. Okay.
No.
Honey, there's flowers.
Oh, yay, blankie.
A blankie.
Hey, honey, leave it. Leave it. Let it live. Let it grow.
Remember, if you rip it out, you're dead. You know.
We've been. I don't know.
Thank you for helping me with that. You're gonna sit over here on your good side. I like those flowers. That's perfect. Yes, and Daddy's gonna sit right next to Mommy. That mermaid leg is perfect. And then Piper. So okay, I'm gonna have Mommy and Daddy sit in the middle. Nolan, you're gonna sit on Mommy's lap.
Yay!
And Piper, you're gonna go on Daddy's shoulder.
Next, can I go on Daddy's shoulder?
Yes.
Yay.
Ready? Turn around.
Oh yeah. And then, yep, you know. Would you like to move your legs kind of like this, or are you comfortable like that?
I can shift.
Okay. Yeah.
Somewhere,
Okay.
somehow.
There you go. Oh, that's perfect. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
You know the kicks.
Those fuzzies.
Oh yeah.
Fuzzy bummies.
Okay, and then Mom, you're gonna kind of lean your cheek next to Dad's cheek. You don't have to be touching the. Oh, that's perfect. Yes, I love you holding that flower. Okay, now everybody's gonna look right here and smile. Yay! Yay! Okay, Mommy and Daddy are gonna go in nose to nose, and kids, you're gonna look at Mommy and Daddy. Yeah. Okay, that's perfect. Just stay right there. Okay, and now Daddy's gonna hold on tight to Piper's legs, and Piper, you're gonna lean down and kiss Mommy on the head. Yeah! All right, and then Mommy, look at that Piper. I give her noses. Can you do noses with Mommy? Oh, amazing! Perfect! All right, and then back
Thank you,
up.
sweetie.
Okay, we're gonna do the same thing, but this time you're gonna do noses with your brother. Can you do that? Yeah.
Touch noses, yeah.
Oh my.
Hi, guys.
Oh my. Oh my. All right, we can go back up. Poor Daddy. Let's do just the kids together.
Okay.
Bye, Mommy and Daddy. Bye,
Good job.
Mommy.
And you guys can just sit here on this blanket for a minute. Oh yeah. That's perfect. Can you scoot a little closer? Because you love each other, right?
I know.
Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah. Can we look right here and smile for one? Yeah, Piper, 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 yeah! Yay! And then you can look at each other. Let's do noses. Let's do noses. Ah, perfect. All right, now I'm going to move the blanket and have you guys stand up.
I'll help with the phone.
Okay, thank you.
Me too.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you so much. We'll put this right back here, and let's do a couple of you
Watch
guys
out.
just standing.
Honey,
Hey, Piper, we're just.
standing with the hands. Stop grabbing
Almost
flowers.
All right, can I have you guys come back and stand right here?
Yes.
Awesome, and put an arm around each other.
Piper.
Oh,
Can I take this one?
Here, hold it
Piper,
down
hold
so
it.
it's not in front of her
here.
face, honey.
There, can you hold it down a little bit?
Hold it right here.
Hold it at your side.
Hold it right here.
Drop your
There.
head.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Oh, yeah. Big smile. Let me see your cheeks.
Sister's best.
Oh, you're so sweet. And noses? Noses? Oh, cute. Okay, can you guys hold hands and walk really slowly towards me? Yes. Okay, walk right here. Yeah, looking at each other.
Smile,
Can you
please.
laugh at each other? Do big laughs at each other? Yeah. Amazing.
They're naturals.
Love it. What else do you want to make sure we get?
Run.
A run? We can do a run.
I told them that they could.
All right, I hope you enjoyed watching me photograph this mini session behind the scenes. Again, let me know if you have any questions. I would love to create more videos that are just super helpful for you. And don't forget to download those free guides that I have for you down below, my camera settings guide, as well as my family posing guide. And again, if you want to dive even deeper into family photography and learning family photography, I have that course called Mastering Authentic Connection that I would love to see you inside of. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video.